Guys, gotta talk about something cool and kind of strange that like the Bitcoin ETF hasn't been approved in secret, and are the fat cats just filling their bags before they tell us? Now, a lot of these are unsubstantiated rumors on Twitter, but I've been seeing a lot more of those this week. And I've also seen one or two articles. I can't bring them up because they were deleted a little bit after I saw them, but I wonder if someone is trying to leak something to the rest of us, and that the fat cats already know, and they're already buying behind our backs before they tell us the rest of the information. We know that BlackRock and Fidelity's applications are fairly likely to actually get approved. So I'm not really sure what's going on here, but there's been a bunch of accounts on Twitter. Now, these are Twitter accounts, so take them with a giant grain of salt, obviously. Twitter's not the best place to get information, or X, I should say. And, they've been exciting news for crypto enthusiasts. The SEC has approved the first Bitcoin ETF, opening up new possibilities for mainstream adoption. Now, this Woodbury guy is a nobody, so I wouldn't really take him very seriously, but I did actually see a couple of articles on various crypto sites, decently large crypto networks or news networks, that were saying the same thing. Of course, they were, like I said, deleted soon afterwards. So take them with a big grain of salt, of course. But is it possible? Is it possible that they were already accepted and that we just don't know, but, pretty much the insiders know, and they're actually doing some kind of insider manipulator trading before they let us all know, and they already have their positions, and they're going to go way up before we all know, and they're going to catch the FOMO. That's also possible as well. I can't really say for sure that that's the case, but sometimes it's looking a little bit more and more like it. They've pulled this stuff off before, and I do think they can actually pull it off again. BlackRock has been so bullish on crypto for the last few months. I suspect they know something, and they're trying to build hype up, and they've probably been accumulating for quite some time now. So because BlackRock, I know, has internal knowledge of a lot of financial matters in the United States, at least. And the SEC has some internal divisions they've had for some long time, but Hester Pierce just came out and she spoke against the SEC stance in terms of crypto audits. So I think the split in the commissioners is actually going to make it very difficult for them to actually implement any anti-crypto policies, because they're not actually all united on this. But the main thing is the BlackRock ETF. Because the BlackRock ETF and the Fidelity ETF, I think they're due on the same dates. The ARK Invest one is a little bit before that. But, people are aiming on this date, like August 12th or something. I think that is the first possible date that they'll actually come out with a ruling. And they might actually, a lot of people are saying that, they're going to approve on around that date, and they're going to surprise us all. And they're just getting ready and packing their bags before then, which I definitely think is possible. A lot of times where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's just one or two Twitter accounts, those are always there saying that crap, but it's more than just one or two now. And I've seen, like I said, a couple of articles on decently large networks that were soon deleted afterwards. If maybe someone's trying to leak and the editor just caught it and pulled it back, maybe they're trying to give us some warning of news in advance, bless their little hearts, but the big guys don't really want them to know. But the combination of BlackRock and other financial entities that are traditional financial entities that have said Bitcoin's a scam before, now they're all of a sudden becoming so positive on Bitcoin, and the emergence, I would say, of all these rumors and news online about them approving an ETF gets me to thinking that there is something really big happening behind the scenes right now, and we'll actually see in the next couple of weeks. I'm hoping I'm right, because a Bitcoin ETF would actually pump Bitcoin. When the gold ETF came out, it pumped 400% immediately. Yes, the ETF was eventually used as a means to control gold price. But if we can get that Bitcoin pump above 100,000 just on the FOMO, all the altcoins will actually go up as well along with it. And that's going to spur a lot of money. And I think if a Bitcoin ETF comes through, I think the other altcoin ETFs are likely to come through as well, if you really think about it, because then they don't really have any reason to deny the altcoin ETFs. Because, based on the ruling, a lot of the altcoins aren't going to be securities. So the big institutions can actually buy altcoin ETFs can actually support altcoin ETFs with the actual coin. So we might actually see spot ETFs for other coins as well. But something is rumbling and something big is happening in the background, I think. And maybe we just don't really know. I hope what I'm saying is actually right, because there's a lot of rumors, there's a lot of smoke going around, and there could be fire catching soon in the crypto market as these big companies return really, really bullish on the subject. So let me know what you think, like and subscribe. Do you believe there's something going on? Do you think we're going to get approved next month? Let me know what you think, like and subscribe, hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.